Hello, welcome to Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to disable auto joining friends in Roblox. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Roblox app. So right here is the home page of my Roblox app. The next is to click on the more option found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the settings option. Click on privacy and content restriction. Click on visibility and private server. Click on visibility. So right here on visibility, you just have to click on the online status. You just have to click on no one, then scroll gently. You're going to see an option that says show current experience. You see, click on no one. Just make sure that two of them are showing no one. So if it shows no one like this, it simply means that nobody's going to see your current experience and join you, and nobody's going to see your online status to have interest in joining you. You just have to do it like this, and after that you're not going to be visible for people to automatically join you on Roblox again. So guys, that is it on how to disable auto joining friends in Roblox. If this video was helpful, please do all to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.